guys, welcome back to the Viking Tutorials and say hi to Kusan.
Hi.
So today
You can't see my face.
today we're going to be talking about what is live chat. You know, right? Live chat. So you're going to see our screen, okay?
Usually it comes in live videos. It's always in that.
Yeah, it comes in premieres, live videos. So I think you can see our screen, right? So basically, I'll open one of our video. So it can also, so let's show you an example of live chat, right? Where is that? You might not be seeing the live chat, then it'll be blank because Premiere and not many of it is there. So yeah, the live chat will pop up in this place. We can also see these: manage monitors, talk timestamp, feedback. You can see the talk chat or the live chat where all of the messages are available. So this is how it look like. Now how do you add a live chat? So first go here, okay, content. So get your video ready. So let's say if I want to premiere this video ready. Understand? You can set it as an instant premiere. Schedule the timings. Now 6th May, let's add it or something. Okay, let's add it as 31st May. Add the timings according to the 24-hour clock. So say for example, if it's 7 o'clock you want to premiere, add it like this. Set as premiere, done. Set up the premiere and all that and then save. But we're not doing that now. You can also try it for live streaming. So if you want to go live and then you see we have already 2 live streams here. Have to go to customization, live chat replay, and it'll come at the live chat also over there, or else the live chat replay will all come. So it'll come like this, but since there's no live chat, so yeah, see, come like this. Thanks for watching.